How to fix the Android applications not downloading. Hey everyone! Today we are solving a very common problem where our Android applications are not being downloaded. So whether you get pending, download failed, or it just freezes, we'll show you the fixes. So let's go. So the first thing we can do is we can make sure that we have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can try switching between those if the download is stuck, because sometimes our Play Store needs a fast connection to start downloading. And apart from that, we can go ahead and clear out the Play Store cache. So go to settings for that. And within settings, go to apps, find apps and go ahead and tap on it. And within apps, we can go ahead and search for Google Play Store. So at the top, search for Play Store and tap on it. Once you find it up, go to storage section. And within storage, look out for the option called clear cache and also clear data, which is optional, but it fixes more issues and you can restart your Play Store and then try downloading once again. And also check your date and time. Go to settings for that. And within settings, go to general management or your system. And within there, look out for the date and time and ensure this automatic date and time toggle option is on and you can try accessing the application once again. Open up the Google Play Store. Also, what we can do is we can just go over and remove our Google account and again try logging in into the Play Store and re-downloading the application. That should also work. Or if you have used any VPN, you can disable those and retry downloading the application that you're trying to download. And also update the Play Store in the system. Once you open up Play Store, go to the profile at the top, go to settings and about and look out for update Play Store option and tap on it and update it because keeping apps and system updated also prevents the error. And that's it. These are some of the solutions you can try out and let us know if it worked out for you. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.